Look into this is the binder file that we modified yesterday. Model file we have. We'll open the model file. We'll see how to create the model, how to open the model, how to connect model to model, both. Let's open the website called getbootstrap.com. Getbootstrap.com. Right, hope you open the website. Then go to the docs. Click on docs. Under the docs, if you come down the left hand side, you need to scroll slowly. Left side, scroll slowly. Scroll slowly. In that, you will find model somewhere. Should be under the component. Yeah, model is here. Under the component block, you have called model. Click on that. MOTAL model. Model will click on that. Next, you will scroll down. You will see one button called live demo. Live demo will come here. Live demo. In the live demo section, you have called launch demo model. Launch demo model. launch demo model. Click on that button. You will find pop-up open like this. You will see the pop-up open like this. This is called model. We want to integrate the similar thing in our project. Let's scroll down. Below we have sample code here, including button. Everything is there. You will copy this whole section. Okay. Copy all the content of this particular block. After copy the content of this particular block, you will come to the your page. After H1, you can paste it. Give some sufficient space and paste here. We can paste here. After giving sufficient space, paste here. Again, save the file. Save the file. Run this file. Click on launch demo model. It should appear here. This model will not work if you will not call this JavaScript file. If you are not calling the JavaScript file, your model will not work. Check now. See for working for everyone. Model is open. Now we'll work on customization part. So this is the sample code. So it is not like every project will have similar color combination, similar design. Color combination, design, sizes, everything you can change. Okay. Color combination, design, everything we can change. Size, all is based on our need. Now we'll come inside and we'll see how connectivity is happening. First, this is the button part. Modify this button little. Button primary is okay. Launch demo model, convert into login. Launch demo model, change into login. So we change into login. Next, after that, you can see there are two extra properties added. Then there are two extra property. One is called data hyphen bs hyphen toggle. Another one is called data hyphen bs hyphen target example model. So these two property are more important, main important part. Based on that, your model is getting open. Okay, that is the two important point where model is getting open. We will make little modification. Hash represent the ID. So model hyphen bs hyphen toggle remains same always. It will never change. Model hyphen bs hyphen toggle will be same always. It will never change. This point will get changed. Model hyphen bs hyphen target. It will be the ID of your division or it will be the class of your division. Either ID or class. Either ID or class. So now look down. When you click on example model, there is one ID below. ID equal to example model. So this connectivity is happening here. So when we click on this button, one kind of event will get fired, and in that event, it will check what is the targeted ID. So it says like targeted ID is example model. So example model is not in different page. It is within the same page, but by default it is hidden. It's not visible anywhere. Okay. Now once you click on this button, then bs hyphen toggle equal to target property will call, and in that it will pass a ID call example model. Then the JavaScript file you are calling here. In this JavaScript file, some function will be written. That function will check where is that particular ID. If ID found, then enable it. ID found, then enable it. Now, what we'll do is we'll come down and we'll make this ID little small. Example called login. And here also we can change as a login, so that it will become a small word. Okay. Copy wrote it. Check again. It should work as it was. See, it's working as usual. Now we'll change based on ID and we'll see it is connecting or not. ID is happening based on class, we can check. We can check based on class. So first you modify this ID, bottom ID, merge inside the class. Class equal to model feed is there. Here only add call class equal to login also. Because you cannot write class two times. So class should be only one time, class property, and in that we can add multiple properties, multiple name of the class separated by a space. Save now. Hope you modified. Instead of ID, you made a class. So you will go here and hash you will remove and put here called dot. Dot. So dot represent the class. Dot represent the class. Hope written. Let us check now. Based on class is happening or not. So these class names are together, and then here we are written called dot. We'll go here and we'll click and see. Right? So it is happening. It's happening. Let's come to the code now. So model part you created based on class or based on ID. Both options are there. If ID means hash you will use. If class means dot you are going to use. Now come down. Inside the model, how many sections we have? Inside the model, we have total 3 sections. One we have called model header. This one. Second we have called model body. And the third we have called model footer. You can also separate it. Model header, model body, and model footer. Okay. Next, after this, the footer, whatever we want to can add in footer, header, and model body. So footer is which part? Let us see once. Footer is this part. Where button is coming, that's called footer. Where close button we have on the top called header. And in between we have called model body. Next, in model header, you can modify something. Model title is written. We can change to something called login. Then coming down, model footer we have. We can modify the footer. Close button is 2 times. One close is on the top, here in the corner. One more close is here. So we can remove one close. and keep one close button. After this, inside the model footer, your button is going to the right side. You can see your button is moving the right side. We can bring in the middle also. We have a class called Justify Content Center. Justify Content Center. Text center will not work here. Justify Content Center property we have to call. Now let me check whether it's coming in the center or not. It's coming in the center. Button. Save changes text. We can modify anything. Login element. So save changes button become as a login. Check once. Next work is under the this model body. According to need, we can create the input element, images, whatever we want to display, we can display under this model body. So dot is written, come to the model body, right inside a div that should be class equal to MB4, then label email ID. Come down, input type equal to email, class name, form hyphen control. Next, after this, keep one more MB4 or password, but all are inside the model body. Password. Input type equal to password. Okay. Now let us check again. Is appear like this. Now we can make model resize. We'll see how this model will be little bigger, little less smaller, and other stuff. So come here. You have a tag called division. There is a class called model dialog. The second tag in the beginning. Second division in the beginning is called a model dialog. Okay. So let's check once. Write here a property called model-sm. Model-sm. Your model will become little a small model. Let's check now again how bigger model is coming. Click here, you will see very small clean model will appear. This is called SM. This is called SM. Okay. What is it? SM. Next, after that, so hope your SM model is coming. Next, after that, we will write here called LG. Instead of SM, change to LG. LG will be large model. You can see little large model is coming. MD is the default one. MD is default one. MD is default one. So now we can change to SM only, because for login purpose SM is fine. Right, so hope you saw how you modified that. Next, there is another point, how to connect model to model. If one pop-up window is open and we want to go from one model to other model. For example, if model is open here and there will be link called go to login. Go to login. User will click, or maybe link will be go to register because already login is open. Register, once you click on go to register, it should redirect to the register page. Current model should get closed and the next model should get open. Okay. So how to do that? Let's come inside the code. So I hope till here it's working for everyone. You can make it little compressed, remove all white spaces. Okay. Let me check once. You can check once your chat message. Okay. Please send this file. You are just watching. What's name? Gaurav. You write here. You should write no. I send you the file. Okay. Coming next. Add one more button here. Call warning. Add one more button called warning. Type equal to button is not required. You can remove that. Warning. Right here call new user. And in new user, what you will do, once you click on new user, the current model has to close. So for that, you are going to use this property data bs dismiss. Data hyphen bs hyphen dismiss equal to model. Data hyphen bs hyphen dismiss equal to model. So that will close the current model. It will close the current model. It will close the current model. After that, you will write the next line again to open the new model. Data hyphen bs hyphen toggle equal to model. This is initiating to open a new model. The first data bs dismiss model represent whichever the model is open, close the current model. Data bs model equal to data bs toggle equal to model you are writing. It is going to initiate to open the next model. It is going to initiate to open the next model. Next, you will write here data hyphen bs hyphen target equal to your next model ID. Your next model ID or next model class, whichever you will create, that you need to specify here. So for example, I'll write here call has register. So what is going to do? It is going to initiate the opening process for those model whose ID is register. Current model will be closed using the data hyphen dismiss property. Data dismiss model. Next model open initiate will happen data bs toggle model, and then which model it has to open, that ID we need to specify here, then that model will get open. So save it and we'll go for the next model creation. Okay, so hope done till here. Now let us look. This model was started here and this model is ending here. Remaining is for the row, column and container. So at this place, you will write a comment login model and here login model and here login model and here. Next, after that, come down. Below we will be writing sign up model start here. Register model start here. Okay, register model start here. Right? So done till here. The model we have created for login purpose. The model we have created for login purpose. Copy the same model code. Copy the same model code. Should not leave the division. Copy properly. Copy it and paste below. Paste below. Okay. Just paste below. In that, you are going to change the ID. So this division you copied pasted again. Now login class you remove from here and apply a ID called register. Register. Make ID called register. ID called register. Okay. Next come down. Model SM we have written. Make it remove the SM. Let it be by default MD. We are modifying from top to bottom. Okay. Next come down. Here you are written the title called login. Change to new account. Change to new account. Come down. Email ID is there. Password is there. Before email ID, add one more field called full name. Full name. Input type equal to text. Okay, coming down, button we have called login, modify to register. And below we have again data hyphen bs hyphen toggle dismiss equal to model and data bs toggle model, data bs target equal to login dot login, because one is based on class. Login. I'll write here go to login. Go to login. So hope you modified. Now we can run it and check once. Let us check now. Click on login. Model will open. It will have a button called register new user. Click on that. It will go to the, oh, something wrong happened. Database dismiss model, database toggle model, database. I have written BG, BS. Should be database. Then it will work. Let us check again. Coming. Again went wrong. Okay. Look like in the previous also I made mistake. Here also BG I have written. It should be BS. Please modify both the places as a BS. Both the place as a mistake of BS. Now it should work. You can check once. Happening. Happening. Something like this. Login to register, register to login, and you can close anywhere at any moment. Check now. Working. Next, we require one more button here where user either can click on register button or they can click on login button. So only one button we have provided. So user will not have multiple options. They will have only one option. But we should make here more than one button so that they can click and they can go either login or register. So till here model connectivity is happening. Check once. Work for everyone. Anyone not working? I'll share the file also. Model file. Let us come in the beginning. Create one more button called register. BTN primary or maybe warning. Data BS toggle model, BS target, hash register, right? And you can write here call, create new account. Create new account. Create new account. Let's check now. Create new account button should open the register page. Login should open the this one. So hope work for all. Next we will integrate this. We will integrate this login and sign up with this file. The file we have made yesterday banner. We will create one more here call LG3 and in that we'll have two link. Two button will be there. Login and register. Click on that, it will open a pop-up window. Click on that, it will open a pop-up window. So what is required is you don't have to carry many things from this file. Only we need to take the model code. Model code and button will take from here. and we will add in the yesterday file. That's all. It will start working properly. Okay, so open your yesterday file. Banner file is missing with anyone? I'll share you this file. I sent you the banner.html file. Download it. It's in the banner.html file. Come in the beginning where we have created these three sections. Second section. Second section, you can see you have follow call LG4 and call XL4. This we will convert into 3 and 3. Open this file, that is called your banner file. In banner file, we have made 3 sections yesterday. Contact us, something and something. In that, first modify call LG and XL as a 3 and 3. If you have used double XL, you can make 3 only. If you have used double XL, that also you can make 3. So 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. Last 3 is pending. Now create one more block. That is called, you can remove the text and all from inside. 2 button we have created. Today both button you can paste in this block. Add one more call LG3 similar, and in that add that 2 buttons what you created today. Just copy and paste. Copy and paste both the button from the model file. First 2 button copy and paste here in banner, last 3. Okay. Next button is added here. We require the model code that is available in model file. So first to add the button code, check your page how that look. Should look like this. Login register to button. We can come inside. Go to the model file. Both the model code you can copy from here. So hope everyone have made the button. Now you go to the model file and both the model code carefully you can copy. Not container and row, only model code. Login model and sign up model. Both the model code you copy. Login model, sign up model properly you copy. No, don't leave the division and don't add extra division. Copy only those much, select only those much. Okay, so hope you selected properly. Copy that. Come to the banner file. Go at the end of the page. Complete last after footer. Where footer end. After footer you paste it. After footer you paste it. Where footer is ending, after that you paste it. Paste it where the footer end. Hope you added. Save your file, refresh it. See if login should work. Register also should work. Thing like this. Let me know also working or not working. Button click, model is getting open. I'll send you the again file, banner file. Either you replace it and check it. I'll come in 2 minutes. Just hold on. Okay, so hope you checked your model is opening in the banner file. No one? It was supposed to be like this. When you click here, it should open, go to register, go to login. Something like this. Okay, next after this pages become perfect. Even it is fitting properly. This one also, this also open systematically. Here is the problem. You can see my navigation should leave little space. Plus this photo card what we have created, this is also not leaving a space in the bottom. It's all are not leaving a space. All are just getting overlap in the bottom. So we'll go to the code. And what to do for that? We have to give little space MB everywhere. So let's start from beginning. And carousel is okay. After carousel, we have carousel in the sense banner. After banner, we have container with the row and columns. Right? Find out this point. Okay, so in this we have three. There we have created navigation. Under the three, you write MB. MB4 somewhere. Margin bottom 24 pixel gap will apply. Margin bottom 24 pixel space will get applied. Coming down again, when we go under the 9, we have the row again. There also we have follow the call LG4. In call LG4 again you write MB4. MB4. Margin bottom 24 pixel. Here also you apply MB4. Margin bottom 24 pixel. Another button we have here also MB4. Margin bottom 24 pixel. So when the content is shifting one after other in the new line, top to bottom space will apply. Coming down, helpline we have written. In that we have sufficient space. Empty MB we have follow. So that will be okay. Come down again to the next container where we have written web development, we have written digital marketing, we have written customer support, right? In this section, again, we have call LG. In call LG, you can write again MB3 or maybe 4 you can add. Will have sufficient space. Come down again, next call LG4. MB4, sufficient space. Next MB, call LG4. NB4 you can apply. Then in the bottom for address block and all not required because these all are the footer section. Or in the footer section also we have some 3 container. Here also we can apply MB, MB4, MB4, MB4. So in the bottom, a space will apply and that will be helpful. Just check now whether in a small device it's getting rearranged properly. Space is getting applied. In extra small, space happen, space happen, space happen here. Here also a space got apply. We need to work on little other class also. Like suppose if it is okay, so up to this size is okay. Here this is fine. This is also okay. This all shifted to the new line. I know they're not bad. Okay, I'll share this file in the chat again. If required, you can take it. So file gone to the chat. You can download it. And what is the status of that assignment? Anyone is doing or not? Assignment part. Hope you will try it. Step number 3. 13 photos are there. That will give you a lot of confidence. Okay, next after that, our next class is on Monday. Monday, that is on 2nd January. And we will enter under the JavaScript. We'll start the JavaScript part. Be regular, will be helpful. Okay, you can download and install few things. This one, Node.js, you can download and install. Node.js and VS Code. VS Code editor should be download and install. Node.js and VS Code download and install. First 1 week class will be based on only JavaScript file will create and we'll understand how to learn how to write the program like basic syntax and all. First 1 week will be spending only on JS file with the help of Node.js. Using Node.js will run the JavaScript file without HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. After 1 week, once we come under the data binding, then we'll merge the JavaScript with HTML. Okay. These two things you download and install it before next class.